All right, so I just got here. I saw the other contractors leaving literally just as I was getting ready to pull in the driveway. So let's see what's going on. And they left the door wide open. That's always nice. Oh, at least I don't have to use my keys. Whatever. I assume they must be coming back. Let's get some lights on here. Well, I was told they were coming back to remove a wall going into the living room to make the heat pump distribute heat better, but don't see a wall missing. It looks exactly the same. Let's go look upstairs, because I told them about the mold problem upstairs. And I want to see if anything's been done about that. We still got a broken window in here, by the way. Oh my God, look. Look. Still a broken window. Still mold. Nothing fixed. I will give them credit for this. Okay, they did remove that god-awful lighthouse looking thing that's there that I wasn't expecting to happen until they actually did all the yard work, but it's gone. I'm glad it's gone. Still a lot of work to do though. Very shortly, the young fella is going to be helping me remove this carpet off these stairs and get all the staples pulled out of them. And wow, after I get him set up with that, I'll be coming up here. Please ignore the mess. It'll be clean when we're finished. While he's doing that, I'm gonna get to work on this and see what I can do here about this mold. Kind of iffy about the fence coming out. I think I'm gonna ask them if there's any way they can just replace it or fix it, because we want to get a dog, and that would be a good little area for a dog to run around back there hopefully without us having to chain it up all the time. Yeah, the more I look at this, the more I personally think I'd like to keep the fence and just fix it up, get it sturdy again, because like I said, we want to get a dog, and I think this would make a really good area to let a dog run around, even though we'll still be gardening and stuff in there. It'd just be, I think, good for the pup to have a place to run.
Still coming up.
So
Really,
carpet's coming off.
Like that's 2 down already.
Young feller's got himself a system going on. He don't even need my help. I guess that's good. It means I can go upstairs and cut out a wall. Well, carpet's coming off. Still got a little bit of the foam underlay to come off, but of course the staples are after that. And up here, I got the drywall sort of kind of torn out. Still got to get that bottom baseboard off, and I just got to see how far it goes. There's nothing else I can do right now except tear it out of there and see what's what. So as I go through this apartment, getting things ready for drywalling and repairs and painting and whatnot, I realized, I pointed this out before, I believe in a previous video, this T-bar ceiling. And I thought there must be a reason why this is here. But when I get up and I peek over top of it, as far as I can see, there appears to be a finished ceiling above it, even though you can clearly see some, dirt on it and imperfections and whatnot. I don't understand why the T-bar ceiling was put up here. Did they just put it here so they didn't have to fix the existing ceiling? Or did they put it here because they think it looks good? Because I think it looks horrible myself. Any of y'all got an idea why they did this? Well, they got that covered in drywall. Be nice to have a piece of no coat, but I'm not gonna buy a whole roll just to do that off-angled corner. I'll just figure it out with regular tape. And here we got the stairs. There's got to be about 5,000 staples in these stairs that I got to remove, or the young fella remove, or both of us remove, but they all got to come out so that I can finish the steps. There's all the garbage that's got to be hauled away so far. Well, I'll get back to pulling staples. See you guys in the next clip. Some other things I finally have confirmation on from the wife. This bottom section is staying, but we are going to remove this whole top section and just finish the wall. Simply because if I tear that out, well, there's just going to be more repairs than I really want to get into for a rental unit. But I'm not concerned about fixing a few holes from nails in that wall. And they're no longer tearing out part of the living room wall anymore. So I'm just about ready to go, aside from that section upstairs that we're still dealing with the mold. This thing here is all beat to rat shit and it looks nasty. I don't think it's worth fixing, so I'm just gonna fill the holes with mud and smooth it out, try to make it look like something. I gotta fix this spot here. The other piece of pegboard over here, I'm just gonna unplug some of the holes and we're gonna put some hangers there for, you know, spatulas, spoons, whatever we need. So we are done here at the apartment for now, for a couple reasons. One, there's only a handful of staples left to remove. And this stuff over here to still contend with if I decide to do anything with it. And that's it. But also because we need to move on to a paying project, because that's what I do for a living. And this is a personal project. So we're off to another job site for the time being. So this video is a little short. I apologize. Next video will probably be from the other job. All right, so the contractors were just here. As I suspected, the leak, which is causing the mold, is coming from around the window. So they're going to fix the window, make sure the leaking is stopped, and then I get to tear out a little bit more drywall, see how far the mold goes, and get rid of it, and then put the wall back together. Then I can get to work with taping, mudding, well, pre-filling first, of course. But we'll be on. We'll be moving along again at that point. I just wanted to say a quick thank you to those of you that are watching my videos, our videos. I know they're not the most exciting. We have very limited time for filming videos, and we don't have the best camera equipment to do it with, but we're doing the best we can. And I just wanted to say thank you guys, those of you that are watching, and we appreciate it a lot. Have a great day.